Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we are reviewing a Percy toy model. As you can see, it is very nice and clean and good. At the back, as you can see, there's a bit of coal there. Let me show you the side view. Here is the side view. There. Guys. Now let me show you the front view. As you can see, and as you know, like Thomas, Percy, this stuff, they're in the show thing, that cartoon, Thomas and the Tank Engine. Yeah. So yeah, I really love it. It's really nice. Clean wheels. What does it say? Let me see. Nice. Can't see it. It's a vial. It's class 7-6, I think. Class 7-6. It says on it 6. Yeah, it is very nice. Here is the top. Here is the top. As you can see, it is very nice. There are stairs here. As you can come over them. Here's inside it. Here is the bottom. I will show you how to read. Ever smile. Made in Maku, I think. Thomas the Tank Engine and Friends. Thomas Limited 1953. Yeah, this is really nice. So here you can see these stuff hanging about. Here you can see the thing that coal comes out of. Here, just a very nice old train. Here you can see these that attach to other trains. These two. They're red and nice. I love the color red. It's my favorite, guys. Here you can see inside. Yeah, there's coal. I really love how they made the coal like rocks. Here. Yeah, it's really nice, guys. I love it. It's maybe 5 meters long if it was real. This is an actual model, guys. Now let me show you the length of it. It's really tiny if you want to, if you can't afford it, if you can't get it, guys, then maybe you could make it, make a really nice one. That would be nice. It's this long. That's my hand, guys. Now let me show you the views. And guys, if you want to buy it, it is nice and metal. And yeah, I just told you this because I think it's really nice in my opinion. Well, there are those 2 squares on both of the sides. It is up. It has this up thing here. Then it goes down, and then it has this thing that coal comes out of. And then it goes down, and then it has these 2 that attach to stuff. It could go like this way, guys. Also, I have a really exciting thing for you guys. This I'm not sure if it will work on the carpet, but I can also move, guys. If you pull it backwards, look there. You can hear it, guys. Now let me do it. Wait, guys. Oh, guys, that's some actual feeling. There, did you see it? Yeah. So it's really nice. Bottom has names. Stairs, top. Now I just got one last part for you to look at the top view. There. Yeah, and there's the top view, and that's the end of the video, guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. I really got this because I loved it, guys. I really loved it, yeah. So yeah, guys, these are the wheels at the bottom. Doesn't show them that much because, as you can see, it is a steam train that holds goods like freights. Like a freight train, not freights. Yeah, so bye, guys. Please do the notification bell so you don't miss any treats, guys. And smash the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other videos. And turn on the notification bells. That's what you need to do too. And also, if you smash the like button and subscribe and do the notification bells, then it actually works. You get 5 lucks of amazing, 5 luck of amazing, 5 luck of amazing, 5 years of amazing luck. So yeah, you might even go train spotting. Very nice. So there it is. Very small and nice, guys. Yeah. So bye.